Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Looking to inspire teens when it comes to science, tech, engineering, and math? Electronics is out with the Scribe Drone Builder Kit. The company uses conductive ink to allow kids or grown-ups to draw circuits. It makes a variety of kits, and with this one, the result is a build-it-yourself drone complete with a camera to take photos and videos. CEO Brett Walker.
So you just create conductive lines on the piece of cardboard, and you use that to hook up your motors, as well as the central control hub, which has all the actual smarts inside of it via the microprocessors. And you just draw lines between those two and cut out your pieces of cardboard, and voila, you have a working drone.
Great fun, educational, and when there's a crash, just cut some more cardboard. The Scribe Drone Builder Kit sells for about $100. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at Scribe. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on Scribe at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love Scribe.